Max was an ordinary young boy, living in a small town that seemed to offer no big surprises. Until one day, while exploring the attic, he stumbled upon a dusty old bird cage. Inside was a colorful parrot with feathers that shimmered like jewels. "Hello," croaked the parrot.
Max blinked in surprise.
"Can you talk?" The parrot tilted its head. "I can do more than talk. I can travel through time." Max laughed, thinking it was a joke. But before he could respond, the room around him began to swirl in vibrant colors. Moments later, he found himself standing in the midst of towering pyramids under the blazing sun of ancient Egypt. Max looked around in awe, feeling the weight of history pressing down on him. "Stick close," the parrot said, fluttering onto his shoulder. They wandered through bustling markets, marveled at enormous statues, and even helped a young architect fix his plans for the Sphinx. "Every stone counts," the parrot commented wisely, as they placed the final block. With a flutter of wings, they were off again. This time they landed in a thick prehistoric jungle with towering ferns and roaring dinosaurs. Max shivered with a mix of excitement and fear. "We need to be careful," said the parrot. They scurried up a tree just in time to avoid a rampaging T-Rex and watched in awe as a herd of triceratops passed below. Max learned about the different species and how they lived. Soon they encountered a problem. A baby dinosaur was stuck in a tar pit. Max and the parrot worked together to save it, using vines to pull the little one to safety. Each journey taught Max something new and exciting. In medieval England, he learned about chivalry and bravery, helping to save a small village from a fire-breathing dragon, much to the astonishment of the villagers. In Renaissance Italy, he helped an artist with his sketches, witnessing the birth of incredible masterpieces. Eventually, Max found himself back in his attic, the parrot perched calmly on his shoulder. "Will I ever see you again?" Max asked. The parrot gave a soft chirp. "Time will tell." And with that, it faded into the pages of history, leaving Max with memories that would last a lifetime and a newfound love for history that no textbook could ever match.